So you have learned React. That's fantastic. Now what's next? This video will guide you through the journey beyond the basics, helping you to decide on the next steps to take as you advance your skills. Let's take a quick recap of what you have already mastered. You now have a solid understanding of React fundamentals like components, JSX, props, state, and event handling. You are also familiar with React hooks, including useState, useEffect, and how to create your own custom hooks. You can also create single-page applications using React Router for navigation. Finally, you know how to use different styling solutions like CSS modules, styled components, or Tailwind. Now let's explore your learning path. You can take the path of Next.js, a full-stack framework for production applications. You can dive into testing to ensure code quality and reliability of your React applications. You can also learn about state management to handle complex application state. And finally, you can use React to build cross-platform mobile applications. Let's explore Next.js. Why choose Next.js? It offers server-side rendering, which improves performance and search engine optimization or SEO. It supports static site generation, which is great for blogs and documentation. It has an intuitive file-based routing system. And it includes built-in API routes, making it easy to build back-end functionality. To quickly get started, create a Next.js app using the command npx create next app at latest my-app, then navigate into your project directory using the command cd my-app, and start the development server by running npm run dev. Let's discuss testing. It's essential to ensure the quality and reliability of your React applications. Some essential tools are Jest, a unit testing framework, React Testing Library, which provides utilities for testing components, and Cypress for end-to-end testing. A simple test example looks like this. First, you import render and screen from it testing library/React. Then you write a test that renders a button with the text, "Click me." Finally, you use screen.getByText to find the button and expect it to be in the document. Now let's explore state management. For complex React applications, effective state management is crucial. Some popular solutions include Redux Toolkit, a modern approach to Redux with less boilerplate, Zustand, a simple and lightweight store, and the Context API, which is a built-in React solution. Here is an example of Zustand. You first import create from Zustand. Then you create a custom hook called useStore that defines a state with a count and an increment function. Finally, let's see how you can use React for mobile development. If you want to build cross-platform mobile applications, you have several options. React Native allows you to build native mobile apps with React. Expo is React Native with enhanced tooling that simplifies the development process. And PWAs, or progressive web apps, are web applications that can be installed on mobile devices. To set up a React Native project using Expo CLI, run the command npx create-expo-app-my-app. Then, navigate into your project directory using the command cd my-app and start the development server by running npx expo start. Congratulations on making it this far. You now have an idea on how to choose your path and build amazing applications. Here are a few steps to keep in mind. First, pick your focus area. Second, build real projects to apply what you learn. And third, join the community to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.